Hey, it's your homeboy. And you know what we do on this channel, on this platform, we answer your question. So today, before I even start, my name is Levia. I'm a fitness professional. I'm a nutrition coach. I love helping and I love transforming people's life with movement and nutrition. Hey, today I want to address this question I've received is how much steps should I walk to lose weight? Well, let's dive into this. We all know, or you yourself might have a device that calculate your steps and even calculate your calories intake as well, like how much calories, not intake, but how much calories you might be burning on your movement, right? We all know someone who have a device, either Fitbit or Apple Watch, etc. And the cool thing about these devices, they are able to gamify the product. So it's fun to use. You tend to get a little jingle after maybe 10,000 steps, rewarding you for achieving such goal. But the question still remains, how much steps should you walk? Everybody is different. And the way that your body burns calories is unique to you. There's no right or wrong way. Don't believe the hype. But I'll say this. Remember that 3,500 calories equals 1 pound, right? So if you know you walked 1,000, 10,000 steps per day and you burn 2,000 calories, well, you have an idea how much steps you need to actually walk to burn X amount of calories for you to lose weight. There's no right or wrong reason, no rhyme or reason to this thing. It's by you just moving more, you will see results. No question asked. There is a big statement, movement is life. And movement is a healer. More you move is more you'll see results. So I don't want to tell you you need to walk 20,000 steps per day. No, I'm not saying that. This is my tip. A little takeaway. Walk up the stairs if you're accustomed to taking the elevator, or walk down the stairs. Just add some more movement in your daily routine and you will see the results. So what's the answer? There is no answer. Just move some more. Just move some more. That's it. Hey, I hope this information helped you and I hope I answer your question. If you find it resonate with you and you believe you could help a friend, share this link. I will appreciate it a lot. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.